Hey everybody, welcome back to another Meeple Pika board game video. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of From the Moon Deluxe Edition. This is a really cool game, just came off Kickstarter. A friend from my board game group, Brian, thank you Brian, has loaned this to me so I can do an unboxing video and share with the world. So it looks like, it is really cool. It's got these neat plastic rovers and these little astronauts that can go in there and do some cool customizable things. Comes with 92 highly detailed miniatures, 11 faction, and 7 trillion configurations. So anyway, this game is for 1 to 4 players, ages 14 and up. It's got a play time of 90 minutes. And the MSRP is around $70. Cool. So without any further ado, let's rip into this guy and see what's on the inside. It's a nice big box. Let's see what the miniatures look like. If I can get the plastic off, there we go. Out, spin it around. Okay. Oh, just in case you were wondering, this is not a toy, but it is meant for fun. Okay, is this the rule book? Humanity is on the verge of collapse. Well, that stinks. Okay, let's set that aside for just a second, come back to it. And here are additional components included in your Kickstarter version. Nice. Ooh, right off the bat, check that out. Some really nice, organized box insert for every player to come out. There we go. Here you have your rovers, not so little. And some cool little buildings. This looks really nice. Yeah. I'll come back to that. Let's go on to the rules. So right off the bat, table where it's got contents, which is nice. Everything looks like it's well laid out and well labeled and tell what everything is. There's your astronauts, polymer, water, and metal. Different rovers for every color. Nice setup. Numbers for good reference. The main board. It's a nice rule book. I like it. Good artwork. Yeah. Very colorful illustrations. You can talk. Iconography. Explain, which is nice. Solo mode. There you go, Bradley. You got yourself another solo mode game. Factions. Explanation of factions. Nice. Cool. Okay, let's go back to these guys and see what else we got. So, blue, green, and yellow. Nice. And then we have some tokens. Let's put the tokens back. What is this guy? One main board. There's your main board. That looks really cool. Like the top-down view, you can see all the cool construction things, the modules, and what have you. Very nice. And we have a bunch of tokens. Bunches and bunches. Very cool. Lots of iconography, but as we saw in the back of the rule book, they already give you some good explanations of what is what. And they're nice and bright. They're easy to see, easy to read. And there's lots and lots of them. Okay, let's set that aside for now. Very nice. And then we have player boards. Dual layered player boards, so you need to pop some stuff out, but then you get an explanation of everything, all the icons behind it. Those are really nice. I'll have to see if it comes with the sticky stuff to be able to put them together. If not, I recommend going to your favorite crafting store and getting some double-sided sticky tape that people use for scrapbooking. Works really well. They all seem to be exactly the same. There is no color differentiation between which player it goes to, so you can just deal them out at the beginning of the game and not have to worry what they look like on the back. That must be for solo play. Cool. And then we have some sort of a spaceship. What do we got? Oh, they're mission boards. Okay. Different mission boards. Must be some extra ones because of the Kickstarter. Yeah. It's supposed to have 3, and then it has 3 more. So if you got the Kickstarter version, you have 6 missions. Very cool. Here, I'll give you a closer look. They look really nice. The art is very well done. There it is without the artwork. It's a neat looking little ship. Bunches of acrylic cubes. And some more acrylic cubes. All kinds of little pieces. Some cards, some other things. Oh, cool looking bag. And some bags. And nice organizer. That looks cool. Okay, let's see what we got here. Cubes are cubes. Let's start with the easy one then. Lots of different cubes, lots of different colors. Some black, some gray, some blue, some green. And then I'm assuming these are player colors, so those are gotta go with those. Some wooden bits. Some, looks like little spaceships and green or purple energy thing. Let's see. Energy pawn. And then 2 player pawns. Tiny little spaceships. Those are pretty cool. They are very small. I'm kind of surprised everything else seems so big. Why these are so small. Then everybody has an energy pawn. Very cool. Let's put these up here too. We'll split them into player colors. I'll help you out, Brian, and do some organization for you. We have some astronauts. Go into the rovers. Those are pretty cool looking. Is each one... Oh yeah, each one of them is different. That's cool. That one's got kind of a cone head thing going on. The water, the metal, and then the polymer. He's got a drill. I don't know if you can see these. Let me put them over here. Nope, that does not help at all. Okay. I don't know if you can see him. He's got a cool little drill that he's holding on to. And then the metal astronaut, the metal miner. It's got a hammer. And then the water guy. He looks like he's got some sort of a data pad of some sort that he's holding on to. Now, supposedly these guys, let's pull one of these out. So these dudes will sit in the back of this while they're out mining for stuff and things. Okay, well, I'm doing great so far. There we go. They're in the ride. It's pretty neat. And they stay in there. So you don't have to worry about accidentally dropping them like that and having them fall out. Neat. Those are nice. Those are cool looking little miniatures. Let's see. Let's leave this guy out. And we have, I think these are the expertise markers. So when you make them into specialists, you'll stick this in the backpack like that. And then they have that little specialist marker in there. Pretty cool. Looks like there's one for each type. Let's see, yeah. Water, polymer, and steel, metal. And this is one of the extra parts. This is a first player token. Nope. It looked like it, but it doesn't fit. Put those over there. Okay, what else do we have? We have some cards. Ghosts, cyborgs. Ghostly cyborgs. Scientists. Ghosts, cyborgs, architects, workers. So these are probably extra Kickstarter-y fun, which they are. And then here's all your regular ones. Not sure exactly how they work, but I am interested to play this game and find out. They look pretty cool. Here. Here's a ghost. These are Kickstarter ones. I have no idea what that means. I'm assuming the ghost moves your rover around with no energy. I don't know. But we'll find out. Actually, more likely, Brian will find out. Those packages. I think the last thing we have to look at here here are these cards. That was probably the easiest to open pack that I've ever had. Usually I have to sit and fight with them. Rover. Some with the little towers on them. Some with a target on them. Look at the rover ones first. It's different sections with different numbers. Oh, it's the section number. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Huh. Let's see what those are for. So what do we have here? What do we have? These are objective cards. The rover location cards. And then building zones. So objectives, that's cool. You get certain things. That'll be nice, kind of give you a direction of how you want to go, especially if you're playing your first game and you're not quite sure what to do. This will at least kind of give you some direction of where to go. Building zones. Okay. It's in between the separate map sections. Cool. Very nice. That is about it. From the moon. Can you save people from Earth dying? I guess we'll find out. Probably not. We'll give it a try though. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave me any comments or questions down in the comments section. If you happen to be in Carson City, Nevada on March 15th, 16th, and 17th, come on over to the Fuji Park Exhibition Hall. I'm going to be having my 3rd board game convention, Meeple Peak. It's a lot of fun. Got all kinds of things, tons of games to be given away. There's a flea market, there's tournaments, there's just all kinds of things going on. So come on down and check it out if you're in the area. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.